Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you watched yesterday's video, you could already tell that was a bear flag, right? I said, right, we would have this nice, or possibility of this nice rejection right here. And we also caught this really good trade at the head, left shoulder head, right shoulder off the head, with this bearish engulfing candle, right? Um, and then had that test right here, right? But as I said, if we wanted to go down from here, if you watched yesterday's video, we needed to see the one second, we needed to see the left shoulder head, right? Then the right shoulder form, right? Off the orange, and look at that, we actually bounced from here. What the market was, it was confused, right? Because the market doesn't know how to react essentially to the news that Powell doesn't is not really caring um, he he's not under pressure to lower interest rates, right? So, and it, like, he didn't say a sign for hiking it either, right? So the market's pretty confused, but essentially, like, it's essentially how right now, if we lower interest rates or even hike it, it's bad either way, because you don't know how the economy will react. And that's what probably Powell is scared of, and that's why he's not lowering or hiking it, right? He just wants to ride the wave that it's on right now, and wait for future confirmation, such as the one coming in March, right? And if I don't know how long he's gonna keep this up, right? Even March, if it's like the same data, I don't know if how long he's gonna be able to keep it up, right? Because there it's still putting pressure on the economy, right? So if it's not March, but it will definitely have to be after March where the decision has to be made, right? But March, let's see what happens. Hoping for a decision then, right? But we can also see how the market sentiment is, right? And now my screens don't work either. Okay, thank God I caught that. Hold on. Feel like a rock ever since I was a J. You know the shit. Okay. So, anyways, so yeah, if you watched yesterday's video, right? Left shoulder, I called the head right here, and then on this head, left shoulder head, right shoulder, really great trade down to orange right here, and that's where you take profit, right? And then wait for FOMC, right? I'm gonna show you that trade intraday, but very good trade. And if we were headed down from here, right, we needed to form that right shoulder, which we didn't, right? And then test 50-day, which would have happened, right? But again, we didn't have that right shoulder off of orange. And I tell you guys, to be confirmation for a short, you need to see the right shoulder, right? You could have not. What the market likes to do is play games, right? And especially like during areas of times of confusion or not certainty, the market will react like this, right? And essentially also like stop out the shorts, right? There was a lot of short volume coming in right here, right? But you notice that we just broke those shorts up, right? So, and we didn't trend higher because the market is still uncertain, but usually after breaking down these shorts, we would have a pretty good move up to at least test 5-day, right? But the market was just very uncertain today, which is fine. Pretty expected, right? But anyways, so the first trade, the only trade today, right, was this trade at 12:43. Actually, I was waiting for this trade the whole day. I literally set it up like from just looking at this right shoulder right here, right? Off of orange, then the building the liquidity, right? And then also seeing that bearish engulfing candle at 12:30, right? So that gave me the confirmation, right? And the signs to look in the 1 minute, right? And then we had the orange algo, right? Right? Oh, orange algo, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here off of orange. And then you notice that we're in this red selling channel, right? And you can see that we are respecting that. We have great risk to reward right here if we bought in right here, right? This right shoulder right here. And you can see how we followed down with this red selling and then activated this stronger red selling all the way down to the purple, right, which we saw throughout the whole day, right? This purple right here, purple tapering, right? So, and look at that, we bounce off there, right? Then we wait on FOMC, right? And you can see that we just were not breaking out left shoulder head. The right shoulder did not break out, right? and yeah, so there was no continuation to suggest anything, and then we just went for a chop, right? So the FOMC today was expected. That's why you didn't see a major move, but yeah, so anyways, so where do we go from here? And I also want to show you that the market's already predicted this happening, right? Today, yesterday, if you watch yesterday's video, I literally said the possibility of the head, right? And then right shoulder off of orange if you're headed down, but we didn't get that right shoulder, right? So you have to be really careful and not be confirmed short until we had that right shoulder off orange, right? But to go up from here, right, like I said, left shoulder, head, pretty good engulfing a bullish candle right there, right? But right here, right? So tomorrow you want to see that if we I'll draw that out. Hold on. Daylight. Okay. So long. Okay, so left shoulder, head, right shoulder off of pink, right? Wait for liquidity to build, right? Because we still have that tapering orange right here. So you want to wait for more liquidity to build and possibly have a breakout like over here, right? And then push up, right? So yeah, you want to wait for more liquidity to build, then target the high up here, closing the cups, right? Essentially, right? So yeah, if we're headed up, and then if we're headed down, like I said, we need to wait for the confirmation of a short, especially now, right? If you're entering shorts here, you got to be careful. But you want to wait for the left shoulder here, head, right shoulder off of teal, orange, right here. And then also, if you just want to wait overall, you could just wait for the inverse cup to close. I told you guys purple is something you have to pay attention to for. So let the inverse cup close at purple, then the handle off of teal, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right? And then keep breaking down, test 20-day, right? So there's a lot of levels to go. So don't be patient. Even if you miss this one trade today, you still have so much more. There's no confirmation yet, so wait for confirmations and that just trade like that. Trade as structured demands. And yeah, also today was a good day. Getting my app done pretty good. I'm gonna promote that heavily pretty here on my YouTube. But also we have to have a deep talk on God. I've been under 100 subscribers for I've been uploading how long? Like 9 months, whatever. No, not 9 months, like six months, 7 months, right? So 8 months, 8 months. I don't know. Okay, I forgot. But like I have like a hell of I'm still under 100 subs. So if you can get your grandma's phone, your mom's phone, your sister's phone, just like subscribe to me, like, cause I feel like kind of like I never cared about subscribers, but like today, like, I was like, why am I stuck at 60? I think I'm even losing subscribers. So like, on God, if you don't want me to retire, keep subbing, keep yeah, on God, I gotta have some motivation to keep making these videos. But yeah, anyways, guys, see you tomorrow. Have a great Wednesday. Oh God, I gotta go somewhere. Oh hell no. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow.